What if I told you that some Shopify stores are quietly making thousands of dollars a month right now, all from simple products you probably scroll past every day? In today's video, I'm revealing the top winning products for January 2026, products backed by data, sales, and profit margins. And here's the cool part. I'm not just showing you the products. I'm showing you the exact stores selling them, how many units they moved in the past 30 days, and where to source the same products for a fraction of the price so you can add them to your own dropshipping store today. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with at least one product you'll want to test in your own store immediately. Okay, so let's start our top January 2026 products video with a product that is booming right now. And this is a mini neck massager and it's portable. This is a classic winter product to help relax at home during the cold weather. It's portable, easy to take anywhere, and fits a very wide audience, which means the potential customer base is high. I was able to find this dropshipping store selling this product for $24.99. And when I added it to the cart, I saw there was an additional $4.90 for the shipping fee, bringing the total to $29.89. Now, here is my way to understand whether this product actually has demand or if it's just a product with no real sales behind it. So I copy the URL of this store, go to Zeek, open the store sales tracker, paste the store URL, and click search. Now I have a full analysis about the store, sales, revenues, best-selling products, all data Shopify does not show publicly. I can see that this particular massager was sold 108 times in the past 30 days, which is quite good. Now let's see if we can source this product with profit. I click on the item finder icon and yes, I see several exact matches. Let's check this one. Wow, this is the exact same product and look at the price, only $13.13 with free shipping, and that's without any discounts. Plus, look at the reviews and how many people bought it. Another strong indication that this item is trending right now and perfect for New Year sales. Now let's understand the profit this dropshipping store is making from this product. The dropshipping store sells the item for $29.89, including the shipping fee. The Shopify fees are about 2.9% plus 30 cents, which totals to $1.16. Then the price on AliExpress is $13.13, including shipping. So the profit per sale is $29.89 minus the $1.16 minus AliExpress cost, which is $13.13, equals $15.60. With 108 sales in the past 30 days, the store made $1,684.80 before ad and operational expenses. Okay, so the next product is the reflexology slippers. This product has been gaining a lot of hype lately. It allows people to enjoy a relaxing foot massage feeling just by wearing slippers instead of orthopedic shoes. I was able to find this dropshipping store. So this store is selling these slippers for $42. And I really liked how they described the product in their title. Reflexology slippers, all-day foot massage that will take your pain away. This title gives all the product benefits in one line. After scanning this dropshipping store using the store sales tracker, I saw that these slippers were sold 101 times in the last 30 days. Now let's see if we can find the supplier to source this product profitably. I click on the item finder and let's go with this result. Okay, so this is the same exact product with the same sizing and variations, and the price is only $17.85 with free shipping. Using the same calculation method as before, this gives us a profit of $42 minus $1.55 Shopify fees, which is the 2.9% plus the 30 cents, minus $17.85 equals to a $22.60 profit per sale. With 101 sales, that's a total monthly profit of $2,282. Not bad at all for a product with high demand and strong market fit. So what do you think about the first two products in today's list? Are you going to try them out in your own dropshipping store? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to use the same tool I'm using in this video to reveal Shopify store data, you can subscribe to Zeek today. Now, the next product is great for the cold months, especially for children. When the temperature drops and the families spend more time indoors, this children's sofa becomes one of the best products to keep kids happy and parents feeling great about buying something that's not only useful, but also giftable. I was able to find this dropshipping store selling the product for 79.90 euros, which is around 90 USD. And here's a spoiler. This product can be sourced at a really good price. After scanning this store using the store sales tracker, I can see that this product was sold 62 times in the last 30 days. When I looked for a supplier, I found it on AliExpress. The supplier price is $18.39 plus $24.23 shipping for a total cost of $42.62. That means the dropshipping store is profiting an impressive $44.47 of profit per sale. And with 62 sales in the last 30 days, this store made a monthly profit of $2,757. What a great product that is perfectly suited for this time of the year. The next product is the sports watch. So, why did this product enter the January top products list? Well, for two main reasons. Reason number one, during the new year, many people set new goals and resolutions, including looking more professional, improving their appearance, or simply showing up on time to places and events. A sports watch becomes the perfect solution for all of these needs, and demand spikes during January. Reason number two, when sourcing sports watches from international suppliers like AliExpress, you can often achieve very high profit margins, and you'll see why. I found this dropshipping store. They are selling this men's sports watch for $64.95. And as you can see, the watch looks luxurious. So the price makes perfect sense. When I scanned this dropshipping store using the store sales tracker, I discovered that this sport watch was sold 36 times in the past 30 days. Now let's see if we can source the same product profitably. I found this exact match on AliExpress. The price is $15 plus $11.81 for shipping, a total of $26.81. That means that the profit per sale is $36. And with 36 sales in the past month, this product generated $1,296 in monthly profit. The next product is perfect for anyone running an online fashion or clothing dropshipping store. The winter coat, a product with consistently high demand, and especially today, where buying clothing online has become the norm. Adding a strong winter coat to your store lineup is a great move. So I found this dropshipping store. They are selling this woman's winter coat for $78.06 British pounds, which is about $104 USD. When I scanned this product using the store sales tracker, I discovered something impressive.
This product sold 257 times
in the past 30 days. A truly winning product. Next, I click on the item finder to see if I can source this product from AliExpress. This is the exact same coat, and the cost is $53.75 for the product and $15.68 for shipping, totaling the price at $69.43. That means the dropshipping store is profiting $31 of pure profit for one sale. And with 275 sales in the past month, that's a total monthly profit of $8,525, all from a fashion product that can be sourced easily from AliExpress. This next product is the portable electric blender, a fantastic January product for people who set New Year's resolutions to eat healthier, keep a better diet, and drink juices with high fiber. And honestly, even though demand spikes in January, this product also experiences another big spike during the summer, making it an excellent item to invest in for marketing throughout the year. I found this dropshipping store. Now, they are selling this product for $59.99. When I scanned the store using the Zeek store sales tracker, I saw that it was sold 51 times in the past 30 days. Now, when it comes to sourcing this product, as you can see, I found the exact same product on AliExpress for only $11.20 with free shipping. That leaves a profit of $46.70 per sale. With 51 sales in the past 30 days, the total monthly profit from this one product is $2,381. What an incredible result. A great example of why this product is worth adding to your store. The next and last product in today's list is an absolute must-have for babies during the colder days: baby socks. And you'll be impressed with the engagement these socks are getting on social media as well. I found this dropshipping store. They are selling these baby socks for $19.90. After scanning this store using the store sales tracker, I can see that this product was sold 87 times in the past 30 days. When it comes to sourcing, the same socks can be found on AliExpress. The price is $3.20 plus $1.99 for shipping because it's an AliExpress choice product under $10, bringing the total to $5.19. That leaves the dropshipping store with $14 of profit per sale. And with 87 sales in the past 30 days, that's a monthly profit of $1,218. A simple product, great engagement, and strong winter demand. A perfect seller for any baby or family niche store. And there you have it. 7 powerful winning products for January 2026, each backed by store data, sales numbers, and profit margins. These aren't random guesses or trends pulled out of thin air. These are products people are actually buying today. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss next month's winning product list. And if you want to use the same tools I used in this video, the store sales tracker, the item finder, and all of Zeek's product research features, check out the link in the description and start analyzing stores just like I did here. Thank you for watching, keep moving forward, and I will see you in the next video.